Hi there, students. Clerisy. The clerisy. A clerisy. This is a noun. This talks about a group of educated people, a group of intelligent people, a group of smart people who can help everyone else by teaching them, by leading humanity forward, by educating people, by dispelling ignorance and helping us to go forward. So, clerisy, the educated people, the people who are educated as a group, the intelligentsia, the literati. So the clerisy of a nation means the learned people, the smart people, poets, philosophers, scholars, scientists, the intellectual elite, the culturati, people interested in culture and cultural activities, interested in philosophy, interested in searching for the truth, interested in finding out why we do things. And this is the idea of clerisy, the clerisy. Let's see, I particularly like this word because it was coined by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. The guy who wrote Kubla Khan. So Coleridge, in Xanadu did Kubla Khan a stately pleasure dome decree, where Alf the sacred river ran. Okay, so this word was actually coined by Coleridge. It came from the German, and he had decided, he was certain that for society to develop, there needed to be a large group of non-religious, learned people, philosophers, poets, scholars, who dispersed, who diffused knowledge through society. And I think this is true because the more we understand, the more we know, the more we think, the freer we are because we make our own decisions. And I think this is the way forward for human beings, to understand and to decide what we're going to do based on our own decisions and our own thoughts, not listening to what the pundits or the television or the media tell us, but coming to our own conclusions. And this is the idea of Samuel Taylor Coleridge, that society needs a clerisy, a group of smart people who go out there and teach the world. I think in Asia they understand this much better, and a teacher or a guru has always been a very respected person. In Western Europe, this is much less so, and I think it's one of the things that we need to change. So, clerisy, this smart group of people. Now, Coleridge adapted this word from clerisy, a German word with K, which was the German word for the clergy, instead of the Russian word intelligentsia. The clergy talk about religious people, and I think if we go back 500 years, the clergy, the priests, religious people, were almost the only people of knowledge. In the Middle Ages, I think priests were the only people who could read and write. Maybe a king or a duke might read and write as well, but almost nobody else. So it actually comes from the word clergy, which comes from the ancient Greek word klerikos, of the clergy, of religious people. But the clerisy, a group of intellectuals who will teach society to become adult, who will teach our society to make its own rational decisions rather than be driven by advertising, marketing, by what the papers say, by what the politicians say. So, clerisy, formality. I think I'm going to have to give it a 7 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or a formal writing. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Clerisy.